holidays, everybody! It's Ingrid from Twinkl, and I'm here to give you some ideas on how to use this large advent calendar poster that you can download from the Twinkl website. When you download this file, it will give you a Christmas tree image separated into 4 pages. Start by printing them out and sticking them together. You will also have a few extra pages with numbered baubles on them. Print these out too and cut them out. Then dab a little bit of glue on the back of the top of each of the baubles, and then stick them on the tree in chronological order so they cover up the images. And voila! You've got yourself an advent calendar. Now, with each day that passes in December, all you need to do is fold up the relevant bauble and you've got an image underneath. So what next? Well, this is the fun bit. These festive images can be used to stir up excitement in the lead up to Christmas. For example, every day you could reveal a festive image and then talk about what significance it holds to Christmas. This could be a fun way to learn more about the holidays and could even be the starting point for a research activity. This is a good way to encourage independent learning and develop research skills. Or you could use these images as daily creative writing prompts. Try to write something every day like a poem or a story inspired by the image to keep those writing skills sharp. Or you could do something similar but turn it into a daily drawing exercise where you try to recreate that image, maybe even putting your own spin on it. If you decide to do these daily challenges, either the stories, the poetry, or the drawings, you could collect them together at the end of the 25 days and have a nice gift to give to somebody. It would be unique, personal, and something that you've created from scratch. I hope that these ideas have inspired you a little. If you'd like to download this advent calendar, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Twinkl Australia channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays!